Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757, working on a Nissan Versa part 2 of the brakes. Now that I am now done, as you can see, because I pushed the pistons in, and you can see the fluid has come this way. So now all I'm going to do is put the top back on, nice and secure. Put the hood down. And there's one final step, is you should never ever forget, or you will not have brakes. Before you take off with the car, just take your foot and pump the brakes until they're tight. When they're completely tight, that's when you stop. Now they're nice and tight. If I decided to hit the key and then go forward, this car will have zero brakes in it because there's no brake fluid in any of the pistons enough to stop the vehicle. So with that being said, when you get done, before you crank the car up, pump the brakes to get the pressure, and now you can do what you got to do. And then you can feel, and you can see the brakes are very responsive. I'm barely touching them. They're very good. No noise, no squeaking, no nothing. This is just a mechanic tip. Everybody does what they do differently. This is what I've been doing for the last 30-something years in the military and the civilian sector, and it always works, never fails. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.